Professionals across industries use Expert Eye in numerous ways, creating vast amounts of data. But how can they turn this treasure trove of data into actionable insights? AMA introduces AI Report, leveraging artificial intelligence to convert XE sessions into comprehensive, automatically generated reports with concrete action plans. Each XE session becomes hereby a source of invaluable info, turning routine audits, interactive training, and support calls into opportunities for continuous improvement and learning. Get ready to step into the future of work. Discover more today and see for yourself how the future of work is already here.